Finally, Microsoft released Windows 11 Lite or LTSC edition. Windows 11 LTSC 24h2 latest version. Okay everybody, let's download Windows 11 LTSC. Now, select the first one. Now select 64 or AMD 64 edition. Do not select ARM 64, it's another devices. Size about 4 GB. Okay everybody, these are Windows 11 LTSC system requirements. It's better for unsupported PCs. You don't need TPM, 64 GB for hard disk and 4 GB RAM. And you don't need secure boot. Oh, it's so cool for you guys. No more complication. It seems that Microsoft has become a friend of low PCs. This is much better than Windows 11 original. Well, let's install Windows 11 LTSC 24h2. Well, we have a problem. Sign in a Microsoft account. It's a real problem. Let's solve this problem. Microsoft, please delete this page or add skip button. Okay guys, let's solve. Press Shift plus F10 to CMD. Right / bypass row. I will repeat. Microsoft, please delete this page or add skip button. Okay guys, turn off all function. It just from privacy. They are just consume your PC's resources. Click Next. Finally, after had installed the Windows 11 LTSC, let's see how much size and C drive after installing Windows 11 LTSC. After installing Windows 11 LTSC, it took less than 7 GB of C drive. Windows 11 original took more than 25 GB of C drive. It's double the size. Okay, let's see the consumption of the PC's resources. RAM consumes 1 GB of RAM, total of 2 GB. It's cool, better than original. Sorry Windows 11 original or stock. Okay everybody, let's see personalize in Windows 11 LTSC. Let's see background, wallpaper and theme. Looks like same background and theme. I will change from white to black. Cool. Hey, where's Microsoft Store? Microsoft, please add Microsoft Store. Okay guys, let's see Windows Update in Windows 11 LTSC. Let's check for update. Hey, where's Microsoft Store? Microsoft, please add Microsoft Store. Okay, we got the end of video. Guys, Windows 11 LTSC will be much better for low-end PC. It's same as running requirements for Windows 10 Pro. I hope you liked the video, subscribe my channel, and active the notification to reach all new.